It's your girl Fendi Peach One, and today we're gonna make some lasagna. Now I've got some sweet Italian meat, some mild Italian sausage. I shouldn't have said meat, but it's sausage. And some oven ready lasagna, 3 cheeses, some, let me show you. Here we go. So my meat is already thawed. It's sweet Italian sausage and mild Italian sausage. 3 cheeses. The oven baked lasagna. Oops, I forgot to buy some doggone sweet peas. And we have the tomato and basil pasta sauce. And this is chunky. I love a lot of tomatoes. I like my stuff chunky. So, focus. There we go. I just came from the store. I went to Dollar Tree and to Who's for Less. So we're gonna make us some lasagna. First things first, I like to cut off the casings. I know I could have bought the meat without it being in the sausage form. Well, in the casings. But I'm going to take all these casings off of here and place it in the pan. That's what we're going to do. Split it up the middle and take the casings off. We don't need that. And you only get 5 of these sausages in a pack. I think they're considering that to be 16 ounces, a pound. I don't know. I forgot to look. I just take everything out the package and immediately throw all the packages away. Bye, Poopsa girl. We're making lasagna. Let's watch the Poopsa girl leave. You're leaving, mama girl. You're leaving. You just got here. You just got here.
I thought I'm Brody saying something, but they still ain't saying that. We gon' trap this down to the feds come, run it up, huh? What she say? I thought I'm saying something.
So we're frying up the sausage and they're almost done. And I'm going to put it in the pot just to make my sauce. Well, my sausage sauce. You don't really have to. Yes, you do. Yeah. We should. And we will. We will be cleaning all that oil off of that sausage. Even though it's going to take away some of the flavor. But that's okay. Let me take these trusted apples out of the sink because they needed to be washed off. And let's grab this sausage. And let's rinse some of that oil off. And I have my little strainer bowl here. Okay, some do fall, but this is how I normally would rinse off my meat. It may be taking away some of the flavor, but you don't want all that oil on your lasagna. No one come in my comments talking about you're wasting water. Okay, let's cut it off. I think that's enough. Enough, because we're rinsing off some of the flavor that's already in the sausage. And there you have it. So we're going to put it back on the oven, on the stove, and let the rest of the water fry out. Yeah, I love the baby. So we put it back on the stove, and we're going to get the rest of that water out and any excess oil that was in there. Next, we're going to put it in the pot, and we're going to add the pasta sauce. Oh, and I'm going to make a bolognese sauce because, oh, it tastes so good on lasagna. I'm going to pour the sauce in. Okay, so I've lined this is a cast iron skillet, which is white. But I know, guys, I need new dishware, and I'm going to get it. So I've lined it with wax paper. I'm going to put my first layer of meat sauce down. Well, this is my meat sauce. And I'm going to put that down first. And this is my way of making my lasagna. You do your way, the way you like it, or the way it was handed down in your generation or whatever. I learned this on my own or watching anywho. So we got that down. We're going to put some cheese down. So I didn't really shop for cheese. I just used what I had on hand. And now I'm going to put some cheddar cheese down. And some Parmesan cheese down. And some Mexican cheese down. Don't matter to me. I wish I'd have had that Kobe and Jack, but I think I used it all. I know I used it all, so. Anywho, this is a Tuesday, but this meal will be for tomorrow on Wednesday. And you know, they always say Taco Tuesday. Anything is for. Now I'm going to post this on Wednesday. This is tonight's meal. So it's like Taco Tuesday. And, oh, I'm going to lay down some noodles. Then we're going to repeat the process. The hubby's filming this, and right now he's saying, look at them big A tomatoes. He's going to eat it. He's just going to take out the tomatoes. And he taught his son to do the same thing. You guys know you need to eat those tomatoes for prostate cancer, right? I tell him. I've been telling him for over 20-some years. He ain't listening. Take that out. Let's put our cheeses down. Right now, this is 2 layers. I think we only can get 3 layers in here. And I still have to make my bolognese sauce. Don't that look yummy? It looks so yummy. Oh, I'm missing something? Okay, there you go. Yeah, we're only going to get 3 layers on here. Thank you, babe. So I'm making my bolognese sauce. Fried flour, butter, and organic milk. It's thick. Gotta put some butter in that. I'm the type of nigga that's gonna fuck the babies. Clean up and put away is a cinch. Just peel that right on up. It was more, but... And this came from Dollar Tree.